Hello everybody, welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. I'm Mac.
And I'm Patty.
And it's a beautiful day, sun's blinding, and what are we doing?
Cleaning out the old greenhouse and trying to put in a new one.
Yep. Yeah, we're getting rid of, well, we're not getting rid of it.
We're repurposing it.
Yeah, the frame for probably a chicken run or something, but the cats have ripped the top and everything, and the one we got, it's bigger and it actually has a door, like an opening, like an open door. So it's a lot better one. So we're trying to get this out, and it's supposed to start turning cold.
Yeah, it's the second week in November.
Yeah.
Or third.
What is
I don't
today?
know, second or third. It's the 19th.
19th, yeah.
And we are just still warm.
It's coming
Coming this Friday.
yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at night. It's supposed to be in the low 30s. So we're trying to hurry up and get this
We're
done.
behind as usual.
Yeah.
We'll
So
do it in the old Southern Blessed Homestead fashion.
So that we can get Patty's plants in there and get them covered
Temporary
up
plants, yes.
and protected. So that's what we're doing today.
Yep,
and
we'll see what we get done.
tomorrow I need to get out there in the orchard and plant a bunch of plants, a bunch of fruit trees and bushes and stuff to get them in the ground.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've procrastinated long enough. It's time to go. It's time to get it done. She's laughing at me because it's me. I'm the world's biggest procrastinator. So
when he puts his mind to it, we're gonna get it done.
all right, we're not going to bore y'all with sitting there watching us. We'll just show some clips of us what we've done and everything. So it's been a while. We haven't made a video in a while, so had a lot going on. But we are going live on Tuesdays again. Tuesday nights at 8. So y'all 8 Central Standard Time. So y'all come join us, and we appreciate you watching and stopping by. So here's some clips and things of what we got going on today. How much we got to move in here? A couple of big, not too much.
Nope.
You clearing that out and stacking it in your shed?
Yeah. I'm still recycling some things.
Yeah. We got a bunch of trash to throw away.
Yeah.
Hey, it's pretty organized in there.
Well,
I know it might not look to our viewers, but
better than it was.
that is very organized. Okay, so what we decided to do, Patty had bought this, it's a new cover for the greenhouse. So we're fixing to put it on, and that should get us past this cold spell. And then once the cold spell is over, we will remove this out of the way and put the new greenhouse up, which is, I don't know if it's wider. I think it's a little bit wider, and but it's longer, and it actually has a door, a real door in it that you can open and close. So Patty is in the process right now somewhere. Oh, I see a booty.
Well, I need help.
Okay, she's pulling out the stakes, so I'm gonna have to go in there and help her. We'll get all the stakes pulled out, like right here along the floor, and then that way we can lift the corners up and pull it out from under the framework and get this cover off. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, we got the old one off. There's part of the old one there and here. I just took a knife and cut it off, and we're fixing to put the new one on and get it all tacked down along the bottom. We got to clean some little bit of debris around here, clean that up, sweep it up, and then we'll get the new one on there, and then we'll be good to go. And once we get past this cold spell, we're just gonna go ahead and take this whole thing down and put the new one up. We got to clean some grass and stuff because it's longer, so we got to clean all this up. We got a lot of cleaning up to do before we get that new one up. Oh, whew. There's Patty inside there working. It's getting chilly, can you tell? It is getting chilly. So this simple, easy job turned into a nightmare. Let me explain.
It was my fault.
So apparently, well, I was gonna give Patty the benefit of the doubt and say Amazon sent us the wrong one, but she's gonna fess up. She ordered the wrong one. And it was about 3 feet too short. In fact, it was a complete section too short. So we cut a whole section out to make this fit, because we had already cut the other one up, so we couldn't reuse it. So we had to get this one on here. And as you can tell, this size must have been taller and wider, because it's a lot of loose slack. But we did the best we could. Like I said, this is just going to be temporary to get us past the next week or so cold spells, because it's supposed to warm back up. And then once it warms back up, this is going to be taken down, and we're going to put our new one up. So we made the best of it. We got it snugged down as good as we can. And you think it'll work, babe? It'll work.
Yes, it will work.
And then we got our heater in there, and that heater keeps it nice and warm, so nothing's going to freeze. And it's supposed to get down below freezing tonight.
Yeah, and actually this was kind of experiment type thing too, because these things are pretty cheap, reasonably cheap, but these frames are usable where you can interlock them. I mean, we actually had two of them that we've bought over the last, what, 5 or 6 years?
Yeah.
And the tarps do kind of wear out, but they last a good, I think they're only guaranteed for a year or two, but I'm sure it lasted at least that. And
oh, this one, that old one we've had.
I think that was like 3 years.
3 years, 4 years.
But just little mechanical things broke. But the overall stuff, material of it still was good. But what I was saying too is, you can modify it once these things wear out. If you didn't want to reuse this, you can reuse the frame, and you can interlock them, make it longer if you had 2 of them, or make it shorter like we did.
Yeah.
And you can just put some greenhouse plastic over it.
Yep.
And make it into your own little high tunnel type thing. So they're pretty versatile, where you could do quite a bit of things with them.
Yeah, we learned that.
And that's our other idea. The reason why we are still going to be saving this, and this will still come in handy, even though we had to cut part of it off, is we're going to be using it for our chickens to give them a bigger run. And we can secure it with hardware cloth around the outside so critters can't get to it. So there's another way that you can reuse these things. And even with this plastic stuff, it will keep the chickens, we can secure it, even if the end broke, we can secure it where the chickens wouldn't get wet and still get sunshine and stuff like that. So
yeah,
there's all kinds of things you can do with them.
Yeah, we got some future plans that we're thinking about. So.
Yeah. So anyway, you just, what is it? You make, when you get lemons, you make lemonade.
But that's all you got to work with. You make
you
it.
Gotta be flexible.
We definitely put this together and made it work.
And if we are not art people, but we can be creative.
See, our other one had 4 windows. This one's only got 3 down there. Yeah, and when we started pulling it, and it stopped right there, and I'm like, this is not long enough. So we had to take out a whole section.
Which they're in sections, so it made it perfect, you know. Yeah,
I did have to cut 2 of the pipes just because the screws were rusted and the head stripped, and I couldn't get it out, so I cut 2 of the pipes. But
you know, there's still a way, like Matt was saying, you could put a smaller pipe inside there and secure it.
Oh yeah, I could
to reattach it. So it didn't ruin it per se.
No, it's not ruined. It can be put back together. Yeah. So.
All right, but anyway, we're winterizing all this for some silly plants, but they're important to me, and I don't have to rebuy them. And I'm going to grow some stuff eventually in my new one as well.
Open the door, I'll take a peek in there. She's got her green stalks in there, some strawberries, and her tea plant, which her tea plant's blooming. Oh, I can't get in there. Look at that. Look, she's blooming. That's her tea plant. And all of these are fixing to go in the ground. I've been working on them. That's all going in the ground. And I got my blueberries and fig trees in there. So all that's going on the ground. So once I clear all that out, it won't be much left in here unless she decides to put more in here. But
It depends on what dies. You know.
Oh, I can't get out of there. We're exhausted. I'm so tired. My back and my hip hurt so bad I can hardly walk.
Yes.
Poor Patty's back.
Yeah.
But we got it up. We saved her plants. She's happy. You happy?
Yeah.
She's happy. I'm happy. She's happy. I'm happy. So hopefully our next video will be, well, maybe me getting all my fruit trees in the ground. And then we'll definitely do one on our new greenhouse when we put it up.
Yeah.
So we're excited about that one because it's a lot nicer than this one. So
Yeah.
anyway, appreciate y'all stopping by and watching. Hit that thumbs up. So give me a little pocket change for some coffee. And subscribe if you hadn't already. It's free. We won't charge you nothing to do that. And we hope y'all have a Southern blessed day.